Hi guys, all of you welcome my channel. Today I'm here with all of you to talk about the topic of today. The topic of today is this guys, how to practice English at your home. If you don't have any partner, then how will you practice your English at your home without any partner? And if you are beginner for learning, then how will you to start to practice your English at your home? Okay. All of you can see guys, now this time I'm sitting here lonely and there is around me bushes and there are around me beautiful flowers as well as blue sky. There's nothing but only there's nothing but only cloud in the sky. And today I'm here with all of you to talk about the topic of today, guys. And I'm Nishant today. Today I'm going to share my experience. How did I improve my English and how will you have to improve your speaking English? That's why today I'm here with all of you, my dear brothers and sisters. Okay, if you want to speak English, then how will you start to speak English? If you are beginner for learning, first of all, whatsoever is going on your mind, okay, if you are speaking in Hindi every day, you have not to speak in Hindi because you want to learn English, yes or not? If you want to learn English, then you will not have to speak Hindi, you will not have to talk in Hindi. Okay, you have to do that. You have to start to speak same sentences in English. Whatsoever you want to speak in Hindi, same sentences you have to start to throw out all those sentences from your mind in English. Okay, suppose that you want to go anywhere, suppose that you want to go to market to to important any work. Okay, your mother used to say that sometimes your mother used to say that there's no any vegetable at the home and you will have to go to the market and you have to bring some vegetable from the market. Firstly, you take you take money from your mother. After that, you go to the market, yes or not? Buy your bike and however you are going village markets, you go to the village markets with your friends and with any home, with any home you can go to the market. And what do you do after going to the market? You go to the vegetable seller man, yes or not? After going to the vegetable seller man, you see all those vegetables who are selling fresh vegetables and you choose the vegetables. After choosing the vegetables, vegetable seller man, you ask him how much kg this vegetable, like you are purchasing brinjal. Then ask him, then ask him how much kg brinjal, yes or not? Suppose that he is giving you 10 rupees kg and you purchase 2 kg. You purchase 2 kg brinjal, 2 kg tomato, 2 kg cabbage, pumpkin, whatsoever you are purchasing. After purchasing, you came back your home, yes or not? After coming back, if you have time, then your mother say that you have to help me in some work. Okay, and you help your mother. After helping her, you whatsoever you are your daily routine you do, and like this you have to practice, my dear brothers and sisters. When will you practice your English? 110% your English will be better. First time you will not be able to speak fluently, but you don't need to worry. It will take some time, yes or not? If you want to do something different in your life, if you want to achieve something in your life, then you will have to give your time. You will have to give your precious time. Okay, then you will be able to achieve anything. Suppose that you preparing for any government job, then what will you do? Without time, without giving your precious time, will you be able to crack that exam? You will never be able to crack that exam. First of all, you will have to give your precious time. You will have to sacrifice your time, and you should have burning desire. If you don't have burning desire, how will be able to get that? But you want to get that. You can do. If you are not able to do, who can do? You can do each and everything. There's nothing impossible in this world, guys. Whatever you want to do, you can do. Everything is on your hand. You have to decide. Okay, you have to decide whatever you want to do. And I'm I'm sharing with all of you an example. If any child he tries to walk, but he falls down, each and every time. Still, he trying to walk. Why? Because he wants to. He likes to walk. Yes or not? Same process you have to apply in this language, guys. You have to speak. Without speaking, you will not be able to achieve anything. If you want to speak, but you will not speak, then how will you be able to speak? Everything is on your hand. How much you are practicing for your better result. It's need to practice. Your English will be 110% good to better. All of you know, guys. All of you know, guys. Practicing is the key of success. Yes or not? Then you will have to practice. Why are you not? Why are you not practicing? You have to keep on practice. Okay. You don't need to worry. You don't need to think. I'm not able to speak. But your time will come. Your time will come one day, 110%, and you will be able to speak whatever you want to speak, whatever you want to share with anybody in front of the public. You will be able to talk whatsoever you want to share with the public, and whatsoever you want to talk with anybody else. You don't need to think. First of all, you have to give your time. Whatever you want to do, whatever you want to be, you have to practice. Practicing is the key of success. I think, guys, whatsoever I'm sharing, whatsoever I'm telling all of you, you are understanding. And I think, guys, I hope, guys, you will practice. If I am doing something mistake, please forgive me, guys. Practicing is the key of success. There is nothing impossible in this world. You can do is and everything. Everything is on your hand, and you have to find out your talent, and you have to start to practice. It's and everything is on your hand. So, what will I say? All of you know, guys. Whatsoever I want to share with all of you, the topic of today, whatsoever I wanted to share with all of you, I think, guys, I have shared with all of you, and 110% when will you watch this video till last, then you will get benefits from this video. There's no any doubt, guys. Keep on doing well in your life, keep on practicing, and always be happy, and always respect your mom and dad, your brothers and sisters, and love everybody. That's all. Thank you, my dear brothers and sisters. I I'm going to end my topic of the today. That's all. Thank you.